Did you know that understanding your users can make or break your design? Hi, my name is Adenike and I am a brand designer and I am currently learning UI UX, and I'm taking you on my journey of learning UI UX. So this week, my first video was understanding and finding out what UI UX is. That was my first week. This is my second week, and this week's video is going to be categorized into different short videos so that you guys can be able to understand, because even me, it took me a while to understand this part. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. User feedback is essential to we designers because it helps us design products that meet the user's needs. And what are the key things that we really need to know inside this? Knowing your audience is very, very important. Asking these 3 questions and under knowing your questions. What are the questions? Question 1 is, are they young or are they old? Are they tech savvy or are they new to the concept that you're trying to create? What is their nationality? Do they have any shared hobbies? Are they from Nigeria? Are they from the US? Are they from the United Kingdom? You don't know. You need to ask those questions. And then once you answer those questions, you need to find out, okay, do they have any shared interests? Do they have any shared hobbies? Do they go to the club together? Are they tech savvy? Are they, introverts who just love staying at home and ordering food? Or are they extroverts who loves going out, going clubbing, and need something that is like very quick? You need to answer those particular questions. Number 2, to getting to know your audience and getting feedback from your audience, is to identify their needs and pain points. Number 1, you need to ask yourself, what problem as a designer are you trying to help them solve? What problems are you solving for them? And number 2, you need to also find out what common pain points that they have with similar products. Like if your product has a competitor, like the competition, what problem do your clients or your users have that you can help them solve as a UX designer? Number 3, similarity. Look for similarities and differences between your users to cater to a diverse audience. This is like very important. Like if you want to create products for a diverse audience, you need to find out what product, like the product that you're using, you need to also find out, okay, what did all the users have in common? What is the goal? What is their pain points, and all that. So it's time to give my takeaway. My takeaway is that understanding these key elements, like all these 3 things that help you understand all these questions, let me not say 3 things, all these questions help you understand who your audience is, who your target audience is, who you're creating your products for. That is my takeaway, because after this I also did some research, which I am not going to show here, but I also did my own research. And you know what, I found out that they're all like, everything that you want to do, you need to put the users first. And one thing I noticed is that they all have like user experience that I'm learning right now, is that it has a lot of similarities with branding. Because if you want to create a branding for a business, a brand identity for a business, you need to know who your target audience is. You need to find out what their age is, what their name, where they work, what they do, what is their hobbies, what they like, what they don't like. So it has a lot of similarities, so I'm like not exactly surprised, but at the same time, you never know. You always learn something new every day.